Mwajumuriri Ndizi TV andonsi obe asobere tenande ni gochera giri Chinsa Isano Ibere chabano basakarongo kwariania asemese mangana mayirinko ere na leto ne tokosangiruria kete goikaboni no kuborikwa na ikaranza ozeira libagaria uri abenura abwati mangana ayu asenjira yobwenga se Chinsa chiga nyana ni already tkuria chumaine chitarikini community ino motangani magojirubere ne meronke bere nesoto ikarunya saende tekuzuseni asomwa kwena kwariani asenjira yabeno benenche goikomwerio yora sense meriumu nubonyererio nigakoro kwa chosho Auta Ibere nyanjamane rokene kwina mariogine chibicha gochira asenjira bene iriane Brighton Makori. Chinsa sana Ibere utunga cha kurwa sense meri ya kiganjo asebono murai bwense Dr. William Ruto ara sense meyo anenekero abanyanyimbo kurwa sense meyo gose bari konyora banyora mafunzo gati gose egekakimeti enyikyanda bono bakarikobekerwa chiguto eri bajigokora bokorerio ase Chinsemo aho chubonyanyimbo kano murai bwense ni gagendete gukwana boniga kolende jibije jichiweta ase bija yao njiri ekero murai bwense anyara kaweta gose kawika sense meyo na korigireri gose kukagwe waled bune ere botambe igumurai bwense ni gagendete gukwana sense meyo kolende tuchikonyora roboti oruo asenjere bukiranu gekoraga Chinsa 10 tomayenga kyumurai bwense akwana ana sense meyo ya kiganjo gosekera ara sensemo ya kiganjo igo tonyorani chikoraga Chinsa 10 ngicho komayenga kyumurai bwense anyara kawkwana ekera sense meyo ya kiganjo. Ekardo sukabosyo ni gobona bamenyi bebunge ya kitutu jaje South banyarire bakurwe birengere byabo gogia somo bunge obo erinde ali baganiti bachiko bakorerane nekere kiganja girigia CDF Kenya gikubatuka kibese gogia sichi serikali osibunge abo kwana sense meyo ni gobono bamuborire mu bunge obo Anthony Kibagendi gochikurire miruberio awo anechichiro amache amone chipara eriyo bokorero byabanyare bo kwirenera asebunge ya kitutu jaje South.
Kibagendi umingo nonye bageteba nankia kwano amangana ye chiro ya nyamataro it is a different a hard issue chire ria let us call a spade omwansi isi we chiro nigare nkoro kwe mwezi mi wasakali onyonka no dali mo uto no ege sino kio nyonga kere ege sino kio nyonga ale mete ye chiro oyo ndero kwa maja bana ajiombe chiaye nene kigna ngote everinga because it's so hard obore mobono obwe chiro wase ate mali ate mumeda tigete dilitu atebete ngeji chiro agatiga ko osie ko ni libujigo bono tanya ko koswa awo omuntu omobosi naye mwezi mingo chigo amine Anthony Kibagendi utaya ye tinde angoania
Magigabono ya Gusii korekana gukuma nebikore aho ibyanyara bigokorekana ase oboiti banyara bokorekana ase county ya Kisii ni obono omubunge ogitutu jaje South Anthony Kibagendi oyunyadeka ko yakwana na koboria bagusii tutwale siku yeto na gokoro bosario boendete kwenekiwa ase county ya Kisii kaokwana sense miria nyabururu anenekerale ko iwe birengere korwa saba menyi bebunge ya kitutu jaje South ali arengito chiko bakorera ni gobono mubungo yeira libagaria eria bene na kobori buna obosari ni gobendete kwenekiwa sense yeto ya Kenya norongo rwa Gusii eyeirire buna teri buya asaburi mu Gusii gotwale siku yae na gotiga obosaga ni bugo bwendete gukorekana ase county ya Kisii.
Sisi watu wa Kisii kuanzia mwaka uliopita tukimaliza na mpaka leo tumekuwa na mambo machafu sana yanatoka katika jamii yetu. Mtu anaenda anaua watoto wake, wengine wanaenda wanatoa mtoto macho, wengine wanajiua, mwingine anaua bibi yake na mambo kama hayo. Mambo hayo yanatokana na ugonjwa wa akili. Inaitwa mental health issues. Na hiyo inatokana na stress katika jamii. Saa ingine unapata ni stress ya mambo ya school fees, stress ya mambo ya chakula kule nyumbani, ama ya kuchunga jamii yako, tafadhali ukifika unaona umefinyika sana, tunawaomba nenda kwa ofisi ya chief, muelezee shida zako, pengine hata tatua, lakini atakuzungumzia uweze kutuliza hiyo mashida ambayo uko naye. Enda pale kwa father wetu, padri, enda kwa pastor, enda kwa abalisia, elders wa kanisa, wamama wa kanisa. Tafadhali tupunguze hata wazee wale wa kijiji, clan elders, ili tuweze kupunguza mambo haya ambayo tumeona kila wakati, watu wanawawa, watu wanauana. Ndio sisi tusije tukapata sifa mbaya. Watoto wetu wasichana wanaweza, hata wavulana wanaweza kosa kupata mabibi kutoka kwa jamii zingine, sababu wanasema Wakisii wanaenda kuua watu, si ndio? Tafadhali tubadilishe hiyo, ninawasihi.
Ekertogoska position ga wano Mosabu County Police Commander o Kisii Central ni wana nyarika ukwanira nene ngana ya nyadege koba igora sebenge nene ya kubaretwe yera se county ya Kisii asekagire muno munyanyimbo yomo niga bwatugita masazi kujaso munyanyimbo nde omwabo amo numurendi asensemeyo yebenge yuniga kwanira mangana ayuna kwerera bene ningigerete ngane igokorekana asensemeyo lituko igoro.
They were one group was from Sameta Cooperative Bank branch, and one from Kisii Cooperative Bank, Sipu. That was when, while the officers were waiting for the staff to collect money so that they start off their journey to various destinations, one officer from Sipu, Kisii Central Sub-County, discharged 3 rounds of ammunition. It happened that the discharged Amos, after hitting the one Sipu officer who was a colleague to the officer who is accused of discharging the ammunition, it hit his left leg below the knee. The ammunition went through and hit the wall, after which it ricocheted and found another Bob Morgan security officer who is also attached together with the Sipu officers on bank escort duties. With him, he had bruises on his left hand at the back of his palm, while the officer who was hit on the left leg only had that injury. They were both rushed to KTRH, Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital, where they were treated. The Bob Morgan security officer was treated and discharged, while the Sipu officer, who was extensively or seriously injured on his left leg, was treated and at the same time hospitalized.
Kerabono jitegere jiwi Ibere inde skuru nyarige kwigurwa nigobono mworokia monene we skuru yabamura ya Kisii Fred mugakanyaririga kuboria babori kwenda kwenanko koraboro burendio byego kya sabana inde bachikwigura jiskuru na gosoa jiskuru echiwike echibere kizigarite boigo nigo mugakanyaririga kugikeria ebikoro bwendete kwene kiwasorongo rwa Gusii.
I remember we did miss students back home. We've taken care of them. Sometimes we are perturbed with the happenings in our areas where we come from, where our kids back at home are not even safe in the hands of their parents. We want to join other leaders in condemning what has been trending in Kisii, where parents are now taking and killing innocent kids. This we are saying it's only 3 weeks. Allow those kids to survive. We will take them back and take care of them. They have a future, because honestly, we kill them now. Even these people are going to take advantage of the program that are coming here will not be there. So I want to condemn and ask parents to take responsibility. And if you think you cannot manage our kids, please return them back to us. We are not tired with them.
Omuwasiri wejigosori habasayamo negekorase kaunti ya Kisii Eric Mienda nikobona togire getambokero kia airlift program ekikerengete buna gojikoira abana bajigosoma masomo ase Chinsa cyangumbuka okwana asensemeri yebeno hanena somo yegonyarete gokwarganiwa nomo MCA we ward yebeno Steve Arika nikobono Eric anyareka atabone getambokereke nigokerekia boigo nigokirachikoira basa bange asense ya America erigo jigosoma masomo na kwenyorere mirimo gochasa matuko alebosio.
At the same time, they cannot get even money to study masters even in Kenya, but he has given us hope that on their end they are able to get us these scholarships for students who will be studying and later working in the US. So it's an opportunity that we want to run away with as Kisii County, and we are going to sensitize our youths to be part of this. And I believe that they have promised already, they are going to give us an office in Kisii, where now our students who have finished universities will walk in and make the applications, and they'll be assisted by the airlift program to study in the US.
So our program has brought a lot of change and transformation among our students. And our program, we usually pick brilliant students to be part of this, what they call brilliant students, in the sense that for someone to become part of the program, they need to have attained at least a C+ and above in KCSE, and they need to have at least a first degree, because you usually take them for masters, so they actually need to have a first degree.
Kunenjire yemo yogokura amaroire aliagendete gwateka osamaroire akubwate tugo asorongo rwagusii anena maroire alianyaraka gwateka sensemeri ya basi ayu abwate tugo anene chombe bumayakantuna anthrax nikobono umosisi asensemo ya oboche asoma amangana yetugo na agriculture si county ya Kisii magirita nyareka atabuna nikoba bekire meroberi ochukwana kimuna echanjo ngokorwero cyase minyama yonse asensemeyu ase county ya Kisii irigokora okoranda kwa marwire buna anthrax obwanyarete bwateka asensemeyu ya basi.
Kuna zaidi ya 50 vijiji 50 house stations kwenye hapa Bobasi, na hasa tutaanzia kwenye karibu na border. Kuna hapa karibu na border hapa Transmara, tutatembea hapo hivyo mpaka mwisho tuhakikishe kwamba hiyo coverage imefanywa. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu kuna movement ya mifugo kati ya borders.
Sejinga kie joni gobona batugi asensemeyo yabo basi anene bari bare asomobaka o Transmara na county ya Kisii banyarire bagose mibuna mbanyara bagosogi chombe cyabo setu yabo ojazi county ya Ibere oikuboroire obu bwaheriri niko bona banyarire bagose migwa na Dr. Josiah Oroi uribona banyarire ko batebuna nerebuya kiro montade ndiche tugo yaye ekaruboroire obu bogenda tukurigerwa asensemeyo yabo basi.
You are across the border with Transmara, and most of your animals move to the other side for grazing. During this period, kindly, you want to appeal to every farmer around here, you avoid the other area, because the issue which we have is the animals have been going to Transmara, grazing, then come back. You can easily contact this disease from the other side. Otherwise, wherever you find anything, we are here, the vets are here. Just contact them for the necessary actions.
Oborwaire bweri sabeso nigo bwenekiwe konekiwa ase county ya Homa Bay kahokwana moteneri bwenyagitali nene ya Homa Bay Pitogaro nigo banatebuna nigo bachakiro botuki na kumayaningi kere to borwaire bugwateka senseme ya sebali batogete barwatu borwaire obo banyarire bagotangwa sinyagitali nene ya Homa Bay.
We have received 2 suspected cases of cholera disease from within the catchment of Homa Bay County Referral Hospital at a place called Rodi, which is a few kilometers from here. The patients, of course, exhibited the usual symptoms that would have led us to suspect cholera, the profuse, frequent watery diarrhea. We received them in fairly dehydrated state, and there's two adults, one male, one female, and they are currently undergoing treatment. We are replacing the fluids they have lost, and we've started them on antibiotics that we usually use for cholera. Samples have been taken. Hopefully we'll get results as to the positivity in the next week.
Ayubano na kwarenera Chinsa jiga konene yeno chikoroga Chinsa 18 chigwira na SMS mangana mayiringo manyi na nalendete gwatega usagendete gwatega imina isko ya Gusii no kubodi kwa nagenda kulira distribune robo nsuma Gusii ni gotwalingina chosho utakurwa sense meri yo modwe banyirerio abigeri nyanchama ni gane kwina mali gine chibichago cheira senjera ya bene Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.